Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to the math session. I am here, your Jasdeep ma'am from the Little Star School. Today we are going to do example number 4 from page number 144. Come on, open your textbook. In the example number 4, the question is find the equivalent fraction of 15 upon 35 with the denominator 7. Everyone knows denominator means we have to write the term. So we have to find the numerator. As you can see, 35 is bigger than the 7. And if the number is bigger and we want a smaller number, then what we will do? We will divide. Right? By which number we will divide? So we will get 7 by 5. Yes, you are thinking right. So, if we are dividing numerator by 5, so denominator by 5, so in numerator also we have to divide by 5 only. Right? So, 35 divided by 5 is 7. And 15 divided by 5 is 3. Yes. So we got the answer 3. Very good. Now let's move to the example number 5. It's on page number 145. In this it is written find the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9. And here what they have said? They have said that the denominator should be 63. Here they are telling that they want a denominator 63. So, in this, the first number was bigger than the another number. Here the first number is smaller. Right? So, if the number is smaller and we want a bigger number, then what we have to do? We have to multiply. So, by which number we will multiply 9? So, we will get 63. We will multiply by 7. Right? So, if in denominator we are multiplying by 7, so in numerator also we have to multiply by 7. So, how the answer will come? 9 sevens are 63 and 2 sevens are 14. It is easy now to find it. Now, let's do the exercise. Okay, now coming to the exercise 7.3, page number 147, question number 3. Now come on, read with me. Replace the square into each of the following by the correct number. Okay, the same thing we have done in the examples also. Right? So it will be very easy to solve it. Again, we have to convert smaller number into the greater number. What we will do? We will multiply. So, what we will multiply? So, we will get 8. We will multiply by 4, right? So, if we are multiplying in numerator, so we will multiply in denominator also. So, 8 and 7 fours are 28. Here we got the answer 28. Again, from the smaller number, we have to create a bigger number. We'll multiply By what thing we will multiply and we will get the greater digit? 10 will multiply by 2. So in denominator also we will multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10 and 8 2s are 16. Okay. 3 upon 5 is equals to dash upon 20. Again smaller to bigger. 3 upon 5. So by what number we will multiply? So we will get 20 by 4. 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. So here we got the answer 12. But in D what it is there? 45 upon 60 is equals to 15 upon dash. So from the bigger number we have to convert into the smaller number. So what we will do here? We will divide. Right? So by which number we will divide? So you will get 15. We will divide by 3. Here also we will divide by 3. So here we got the answer 15. If we divide 60 into divide by 3, so what we will get? 20. Yes. E. This sum you have to do it by yourself. Now moving to the question number 4. In question number 4 they are telling find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator 20, numerator 9, denominator 30 and numerator 27. Some rules they have kept. That 3 upon 5 is equals to, they need denominator 20. Okay. So don't get confused. We have done these things, right? So from smaller number to bigger number we have to create. So what we will do? We will multiply. Okay. By which number we will multiply? So we will get 20 by 4. So in numerator also we will multiply by 4. So we got 3 into 4 is 12. So this is our answer. Okay. Now they are telling numerator 9. So again we will take 3 upon 5. But they are telling numerator 9. Denominator we have to find. So by which number I will multiply? So I will get 9 by 3. So in denominator also I will multiply by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15. We got the answer. It is easy na to solve it like this way. One more sum we will do. 3 upon 5 is equals to what they have told? Denominator should be 30. Okay. Again smaller number and we have to create the bigger number. So we will do multiplication. So in 5 table when 30 is coming? 6 are. Right? So 5 6 are 30 and 3 6 are 18. Here we got the answer. Now D, you have to do it by yourself. Okay. If you have any kind of doubt, please let me know on the given email.